Back in 1999, I went for an interview. I got hired as an invoicing clerk. That wasn't really what my forte was, but it was my foot in the door. So basically wanting to understand, what is this company, what are we doing? It's car washing. I used to wash my car by hand. I never took my car. I didn't have a good enough car. So got talking to the salesman. And basically Wade was my first salesman that I started chatting with. He was just very down to earth. He realized I kind of wanted to learn more about the company. Or I guess Wade saw something in me. I'm super glad that he did, but he had gone to Paul and asked Paul that if he could have me as his assistant, for me to give up the invoicing and come work with him, and he would get Paul another $1 million for that year. So they asked me and I was all on board. So basically I was relieved of my invoicing duties and I was put into the office with Wade. I started answering phone calls, relieving him of a lot of other duties so that he could sell more. I started really liking what I was doing. It was just different things every day, learning more. Every phone call I was learning something more. By the end of that year, we actually pulled in an extra $1 million for the year. A lot of customers, a lot of clientele out there. By interacting with them on the phone, I would make sure they were taken care of at the end of whether it was that phone conversation or I had to call them back, but by the end of the day or whatever it was, they got taken care of. Back then, there was not a lot of women in this industry at all. So for me to get on the phone and explain to some guy out in a car wash how to fix this, that was like awesome for me, because here I am, just this girl telling these guys what to do. It was pretty cool. Now I actually supervise. I'm the supervisor of the sales coordinator team. So a lot of my daily duties that I used to do, I still do, on top of now being the supervisor, and I love my job. I appreciate this job and this company more than I could ever imagine. You know, coming into this company and to see where this company was 20 years ago, and to see where we are now, what Paul has done to this company is like astonishing. It's just, I can't imagine what he's going to do to this company then, but it's just, the ride has been tremendous. It's been awesome. Other than my daughter, this is my family. This team, the salesmen, the sales coordinators, I mean, this whole company, it's not even just my department per se, it's everybody. We're all a team here. Couldn't ask for a better place to work.